So yesterday, I dropped a comment on Linda concerning a rape accusation case. The point is that I, Uchobodo, I do not support anybody accusing another person of rape wrongly. I don't support rapists. I don't support rape accusers. People that actually do accuse other people of wanting to rape them or whatever. That's not my point. My point is, in this particular situation, create a room. Like, try to imagine these two people who are friends, who were in a discussion with each other, from loaning somebody money to wanting to sleep with me, and then I turned you down. Then you now said, I'm going to tell the world. I said it. There's no evidence that I said it. Okay? You don't have any video of me saying it.